Hi students, today we are going to learn the basic concept of face value and place value. Okay, so what is face value? In simple, the face value is nothing but the value of a digit is simply the digit itself. Okay, the value of a digit is simply the digit itself. Okay, this is the very simplest definition of face value. Now let's see the examples. Right, face value of given number. Okay, and they give number like 47. Okay, let's see one example. And to write, they will there will be small and dash over there on the first digit or might be on the second digit. So considering the dash, if you write what is the face value of the given number, the given number is 47 but the number which is underlined is 4. So the face value of given number is 4. Okay, simply let's see another example. If you want to write the face value of given number, and this time the underline is under the number 7. So wherever the underline is given, that will be your face value. So the face value is 7. Okay students, it does not change the position. Whatever number given, whatever it is underlined, just that number you have to mention and put the number of the given for the given question, the underline number. This is the face value. If the underline is here under 2, you have to write the face value is 2. Okay, great. Now let's move on, and we're going to see place value. What is the simplest definition of the place value? The place value of a digit depends on its position. Okay, now let's see one example. Let's pick a number 135. Okay, you need to classify the number into ones, tens, then hundreds. 1, 3, 5. The 5 comes in under ones. 3 means it comes under tens. For example, if you see only this number, this is 5. If you see these two numbers, it will be called as 35. If you read out all the three numbers, it is 135. Now in the same question, the question will be given like, find the place value of the underlying number. So we know the first position is tens, the first position is ones, and second is tens, and the third is 100. So since the underline is below the 1 is nothing but it's a 100 position. The 1 is nothing but it's a 100 position. So we have to write the place. The answer is the place value of 1 is 100. Why? If we recall the definition, the place value of a digit depends on its position. So now it is pointed over 1 and the position of 1 is 100. So the place value of 1 is 100. Okay. Now let's see one more example. Example 2. Now they have given a number 237 and now you have to write the place value of the underlined number. So again write down the same thing, ones, tens, 100. Is 7, under the 10 it is 3, under the 100 it is 2. Since the underline is given on the 3, the 3 falls under the category tens. Okay, so the answer is, so the place value of 3 is 30. Okay students, so hope you have understand the place value. The place value is nothing but the value of a digit depends on its position, whereas the face value is the value of a digit, simply the digit itself. Okay, hope you have enjoyed the class today. But before you go, there is a homework for you. You have to complete your homework and mention it on the comment section. So write down the place place value and face value for the number 143. Okay, place value equal to, for the 143 it will be 3. You have to write down the answer. For the face value I'm going to give the underline number is under 1. So you have to write down the answer and mention it, submit your answers on the comment section. Okay students, hope you have enjoyed the class today. And dear parents, if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe. We are going to come up with a lot more